WASSCE 2025 Physics Practical Guide for Optics Number 2. Place the block and trace out its outline ABCD as shown in the diagram. Measure and record the width of the block W. Draw a normal ON to DC at a point about 1/4 the length of DC. Draw the incident ray to make an angle I equals to 10 degrees with the normal. Use a protractor. Stick 2 pins P1 and P2 on the line MO. Make sure they are vertically erect. Replace the block on its outline and mount the plane mirror vertically behind the block such that it makes good contact with the face AB. Looking through the face CD, stick 2 other pins P3 and P4 such that they appear to be in a straight line with the images of pins P1 and P2 seen through the block. Join P3 and P4 with a straight line and extend it to touch the face CD at O'. Draw a normal to emergent ray formed by P3 and P4 such that it meets side CD at point O'. Measure and record distance D between point O' and O. Draw a perpendicular line from the midpoint of O and O' to meet AB at Q. Draw the line OQ and O'Q. Measure and record the angle formed at point Q, which is theta, and also measure the emergent angle E. Evaluate M equals to sine E and N equals to cos theta divided by 2. Repeat the procedure for I equals to 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and 50 degrees. Tabulate your readings and plot the graph of M on the vertical axis and N on the horizontal axis.